Alright, so I'm just updating everybody. I am building a plasma CNC. It is a 4x8 plasma CNC. So it'll do a little bit bigger. I left a little bit of a play. I made it larger by 2 inches in both directions, I think. So it's a big project. It's too much for me to like really film. So for me to sit here and film this, like, it would just be way too much. It would end up being terabytes and terabytes of drive space that would take hours upon hours of editing. So instead, what I'm doing is I'm using my phone here and just filming little snippets here and there to keep you updated. So I'm uploading a lot of shorts to YouTube. Not making them published to subscribers, so I don't notify subscribers. But I have them in 2 playlists that I'll link in this video. And the reason why I'm doing that is because I'm also uploading to Instagram, and I'm uploading to TikTok. I'm uploading on the Facebook. I'm a little behind on TikTok and Facebook, but the point is that I really want to get this information on YouTube so that you can, if you're interested or you need to find how I did something for building this plasma CNC, it's documented there and you can follow along with it. So yeah, we're in the workshop and just building a lot of stuff and keeping you updated. I know there's one big video I need to publish, and that's the final implementation of this here, which you can see. Spoiler alert, it's the cart that also doubles as a workbench and a miter saw station. So you can see. So, and the other update is my workshop. You can see I got track lighting going on, and we got a setup that I think is pretty decent, although I'm using my lathe for storage at the moment. So that's the lathe I bought. It was my uncle passed, but that's his lathe. My cousins sold it to me, so it's an old Atlas lathe. So just keeping you updated on what is happening. And I think I got a pretty decent layout now, but I do need to build a welding cart, and there's some other stuff that I need to do. I know that my tool chest is going to stay there, and I know that my workbench is going to stay there. I need to find a home for the stuff that's on top so that I can have it be functional. And then my other panels will go right here. Similar to that, they're made by the Hang Time store, but I did in this theme with the flag, and it'll go on that wall. So yeah, if you're interested in following along, just just let me know, because otherwise I will keep doing as I'm doing with the shorts, making them where you have to find them instead of publishing them to the feed. So I guess one disadvantage of that is that you think that I'm not publishing, but I am. I think I published 10 or 15 shorts in the last 2 weeks. And I have enough content to push out several shorts each day for the next month and a half. And I'll continue to do that. But yeah, I would like to know if you find it annoying, or if you like to follow along with it. So if you do, welcome aboard.